Good morning. This is Dave from growandeatit.com, and I wanted to talk to you guys about something that kind of always bothered me. People say, "Oh, you're too late for this," or "You're too late for that." Who makes these schedules? What I say is, give it a go. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and you know what you need to do. You need to start earlier, or you need to buy plants, whatever works. I'm not against buying plants, but of course I'm not, because I sell plants through the agricultural department, but I start all my stuff from seed. So the timing is a little bit different. You have to prepare and do it well in advance so that the plants are big enough to either sell or put in the ground. And I want you to take a look at some tomatoes that I've planted here. Now, I gotta warn you, this is not necessarily pretty. However, you'll see my point in just a minute. So, these tomatoes were seeded on February the 19th. That's right, February the 19th. Now today is, 3 months later. It is May 19th, if I believe. And actually, I should check the date on that. Anyway, it's the middle of May, and we are still planting tomatoes. So normally you would not have a tomato plant that is 3 months old going in the ground. But a week ago, I planted these right here. And I want you to take a look at something. Okay, now I planted these super deep. So, there's at least 8 inches under the ground here. These were very tall. They were hanging out in the greenhouse, getting leggy. But take a look. They've only been in the ground a week, and they have new growth. See all of these smaller leaves? When they're in the greenhouse, sometimes they get a little bigger leaves. But all these small leaves up top, well, yep, that's all new. So, you tell me, was it too late to plant tomatoes? No ma'am, no sir. There's no reason not to do that. So, keep that in mind. You don't have to be perfect. You really don't. And garden the way you want to garden. Nobody says that you can't do exactly what you want to do in your garden. And if you fail, you fail. If you succeed, you succeed. But, if you never try and you're always waiting for somebody else to tell you what to do and when to do it, you'll never get it done. So, go out there, garden, get it done. Grow and eat it.